Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you guys. I picked up a few necessities and then I picked up a bunch of fun things as well. So let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. Alright, so I picked up some light Elegance wipes. These are so good. They are truly lint-free. And they're really expensive though, so I don't really buy them that often. But I needed to hit a minimum for free shipping, so it was like I pretty much got these for free. So I picked up these bad boys. I normally use these guys, and they're super cheap off Amazon. And they say lint-free. They're not lint-free, but they're pretty good. There may be a little bit on there, but I'm okay with these because of how cheap they are. And again, I'm only doing my nails, so it's not that big of a deal. And then with everything going on, I usually make my own cleanser, which is if there's 4 parts, so it's 3/4 of alcohol and then 1 part of acetone, so 3 and then 1. And I can't get alcohol right now, and this is all I have left. I don't know. There's a little bit more. If I tilt the bottle, there's literally a little bit more than a third left, and who knows how long this current situation of COVID is gonna happen. So I just went ahead and paid the price and got the cleanser, because essentially that's what I'm making. But I got a nice hefty one. And then I picked up 2 things of Jimmy Gel. I'm gonna zoom you in here. I opened one because I did this set of nails, which I do have a tutorial on. Whether you see it before this one or after this one, I don't know. I picked up that Jimmy Gel, and I really wanted to try it because I have never tried Builder in a bottle, and I really wanted to. So you can see it's super, let's see, I'm gonna bring it back to where it's focused. It reminds me of the matte top coat. I feel like you still can't see it. Let me see if I like. Yeah, it reminds me of the Light Elegance matte top coat, where it's like super thick, flat matte. I don't know if you guys can see that consistency, but like literally it reminds me of exactly, I use this quite often, of that flat matte. So it like sticks to the side. It's just, it really reminds me of that. It's awesome. Literally awesome. Again, I've only used it once for these set of nails, and having a child, I can see why so many people use the gel bottle, Builder in a bottle, because like I don't do my nails like crazy long. So this is like, yeah. I did open this already because I wanted to use this on that Jimmy Gel tutorial. So you don't get my first impression. It's beautiful. It's just so pretty. This brush, for some reason, was really split, so look at how pretty this is. I feel like a lot of people's camera was not doing this like true color, and I don't know why, because my camera has no issue. I mean, I have a very expensive camera. But like, that's true to color. If anything, it might be a little bit lighter, but like, no. Like if I were to darken this, like up, I mean, that's true to color. So yeah, 1 swipe, 1 swatch, perfect. I love this so much, per usual. Next one, we have Talk Dirt. Now, I did not have anything that is super vanilla bean-ish color. I tried to get vanilla bean and it like went out of stock or discontinued. I don't really know. They may have replaced it with this guy. But I knew once I saw Talia's swatches of this that I had to have it. It's so pretty. It's like this perfect background color to do whatever you need to do. To be honest, I think it would have looked really good behind this. Oops. I think it would have looked really good. I think it would have looked fantastic behind this, and I kind of wish I did. That's utter perfection back there, but this is really pretty. You had me at hello. I think this is so cute. And this one I really wanted to pick up. There wasn't much from the 2 releases that I really wanted. This was one of them. Like, really, really bad. I want it so bad. And it is everything that I wanted. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the sparkle. It has super fine gold flecks in it. All right, these I think are everyone's favorite part. So let's bring you down to where there actually may be some. So this is grade A. Grade A is a flat color where this one has a little bit of that gold shimmer, as I've said before. This is Jack and Jill. None of your beeswax. So this one I think can slide in perfectly, like right here. So this was a good buy because I was a little bit worried about grade A because I couldn't really tell on people's camera. Grade A looked a lot closer, I think, in general on most people's cameras. But I really think this is going to be a popular color for me this year. So Talk Dirt, I don't have anything comparable really at all. Now we're getting into more of the nudes where this bad boy would go. Yeah, I don't really have anything. Yeah, I think this guy is going to lead the pack. So that's Talk Dirt to me. Here is Tumbleweed. Yeah, we'll move it down. Don't have anything super comparable because this is like an orangey kind of color. The oranges. Let's see, this is Melon Madness, this bad boy. Again, nothing super comparable. This is Let's Pollinate. Pass the Torch on camera looks the closest, but Pass the Torch is neon. Yeah, that looks super close, but it's not. There you go. Now you can see like this literally is neon where Tumbleweed is not. That's probably closer to the difference in color you can see. Not even close, but like when you blow it out, it looks super close. Or like, I guess Tumbleweed really is showing up more true where the neon is not. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.